All right, here's the next couple problems, 5 and 6. Oops, zooming, there we go, I can do it. All right, so we got John that is at a marker that says 232. So let's draw a picture. I have 232 as my marker here. He goes all the way back to 145, turns around, and then goes to 177. Okay, so what is his resultant displacement, meaning what is his final displacement? Well, he went from 232, this is where his starting point is, and this is where his final ending point is. Okay? That's his final ending point. Displacement does not care about direction. It does not care how you got there. It doesn't care that it went to 145 and then went back. Displacement just cares about your start position and your end position. So, if you want to think in terms of an equation, it will always be your end position minus your start. Okay? Or final position minus initial. Okay? So, if we plug that in, we have our final position is 177. Our initial is 232. All right, so we're just going to subtract that out. 177 minus 232. And I get negative 55. Is that negative important? Yes, it is, because that negative has to be telling us direction. Okay, in physics class, negative just means direction. If you put in a positive answer for this Texas, you would get it wrong. Okay, so I want you to notice that. Now, how about how far has he traveled? Well, going back to this picture over here, he went this distance and then he went that distance. His feet felt both. Okay, now distance doesn't care, or distance does care about direction. Okay, it does care about how you got there. So we need to get these distances and add them up. So distance we're going to just do 232 minus 145. Okay, and we're going to do 177 minus 145. Whoops, that's a minus. All right. We don't care about the positive and negatives. We're going to add them together later. So we don't care so much about the direction as in one's going to be positive, negative, but we care about how he went there. Again, distance is how your feet feel. So I'm going to do 232 minus 145. And I get an answer of 87. And then I'm doing 177 minus 145, and I get an answer of 32. Okay, I don't care about the negative signs here. I'm just adding these two together. So then 87 plus 32, and I get an answer of 119. Now again, it asks for answers in terms of kilometers. These are kilometers here. However, you do not put in kilometers. You don't put in units for Texas. You just put in your answer. Okay, there you go.